Hi there. Today I'm gonna talk about a decision structure and especially if as a single statement or if else double selection statement, nested if, and some assignment operator and incremental and decremental operator. So these things is a very basic and but it's very important for any kind of programming algorithm. And also I like to add some relational operator, and using relational operator we can form conditions. So here if condition, nested if condition. So before that you should know the relational operator. So I think I think this is like a greater than sign, and this one is less than sign, and then means if like age is whatever I show you in my last video, if age is greater than or less than or greater equal to, if you give this one then greater equal to, and in the same way less than equal to. Okay, and also I like to tell you, like when we say this one as equal to but is not equal sign in Java, is an assignment operator to assigning value in uh, in any variable or any instance. So let's see. So if we see here, we have like two video of for these two project, and if you go through, you will get it. I'll gonna review this code, and if you like to start from sketch, so you could go this video, and also I will share your link, means which video code we are using here. So here what we are saying, like, so this is the assignment operator, and when we say equal equal, that means equal to sign. Okay, and here you see if condition as a single statement. Okay, only if this one. And also I like to tell you, like, when you found like only one line in if block, so this is the if block, this is if block, and if you find one line you don't need to use this curly braces. Okay, but if you have multiple line, then you must required. And mind it, this is the Java standard formatting. And yeah, if you like to use Java standard, then even if it is single line you could put this parenthesis like curly braces. Okay, and this one is assignment operator, and this is or. And if you like to say and, for example, here is one condition and two condition, both condition you like to meet, then this is and condition, this is and condition. Okay, and also if you like to write here a complex things, for example here, oh sorry, I delete one bracket also. And if you, this is called not. uh Sorry, it's give me some error. If is, okay, or also you can use this one, is not is here, like not then equal to, so not equal to 18, then these things. So it's not mandatory like these things. Actually, in your day-to-day programming, you will find a lot of algorithm like which meet this kind of operator or this kind of operator that you can use it. Now let's see, however it is like if 8 is less than or equal to, yeah, better we're gonna use this one. And now we're gonna use uh, if else as a double selection statement. And then you could say, okay, so age cannot be less than 18. Okay, and then else else so this is if else, and then you could write these things again here, or else if, and then again bracket, and you should write in condition, and here you say if else age is greater than or equal to 100, then also it should be not more than, cannot be more than 100. Then your, I mean, message is more authentic, more specific than user can understand. Okay, and then else, you could write if else or if, then else if, like this one. Then again you can keep writing else if, but this is not nested if. Nested if means if inside another if. Then here last one supposed to be else, sorry, now you put it, this one is there, then done. Now let's see, if we run this program, then what's gonna happen. So see here now, one time it says age cannot be, so see second time, first we enter age 30 here, and then we like to enter 16, then it says cannot be less than 18. Now even we cannot, as we say equal and less than, even we cannot enter here 18. See 18, and then if we run it, see same message is giving. But if we change it there, for example here, just only if we say less than, then what's happening? See now it's not showing, it's taking the 18 as a age. So if I say equals, then also it should show this message. Then see again it's showing, like if age is less than 18, it cannot be less than or equal to, we can change it here, we could write here or. Okay, and again see now we are entering age, where is my test here, now we are entering, we try to enter 102, now it says we cannot enter 20. So if we use this kind of if else condition, then it could be more, I mean, elaborate of your programming coding, more explanatory. And also, we can say here, and also if, okay, and also if So this is called nested if. Like we could write here if, or there is, this is called, I mean, nested if, right? So if name, so it is system defined, is empty. If it is say yes, then for this reason we can put not. If it is not empty, then only we can put age. Okay, let's go and try. But before that we have to make it really empty, otherwise it's not work. Okay, so in that case, in this scenario, we need to create, so see, okay, s3. Now we're gonna write s3 for this thing, and we we don't like to set name. So if it is not find this 3, and we could write 3 3, and let's see what's gonna happen. See, still it's not coming here. Okay, because there is a return, and that's why while one condition break, it is just come back here. So I put the return off and then save it and run it. Then what's happened? Then still it's not happened, because is it's come here, but it's not. Oh, here also return, because there is an exception. Okay, let's make it okay, like 36, and then see what's gonna happen. See, but here it's supposed to be entered, like as 36 is okay, is greater than 18 and less than 100, then it should entered. But as I write these things here, as I write, like if it is not empty, name is not empty, so there always showing the, I mean, Dave, right? Name is Dave and age is 0. Then it's maybe for this Dave. Okay, let me check this one. Yeah, Dave is there, but not, it's not supposed to be there. Then how come it's come here? Okay, let me check. So let's see what's gonna happen. Here is showing error. So if we click here, it says uh, when error is showing, if we click here, it says here, we says not is is empty. If it is true, it's not empty, then it assign, means names. When we, while we create an object of student, then we have to, I mean, provide, we have to supply a name. If we not supply, then age also not supplied. Okay, so that's why it's giving error. So see here, for this reason, and here we are setting age, but name is not there, that's why. So let's solve this problem. Now we write, sorry, we write 3, and then here not Dave, like test, test, and age is like 56, and I think there not supposed to be any error. Let's save it and run it. See, no error. Okay, and also I told you guys that I'm gonna talk about compound assignment. So compound assignment means, like, for example, age, and then if we write plus equal to and 3. So whatever age value, thus this variable has whatever the value, it will be add plus. So this kind of things is called compound assignment operator. Anytime you can use, especially while we're gonna show you the loops like for loops or this kind of loops, then we use this incremental operator. So, and also this is here is called incremental operator. So incremental operator is plus plus. For example, I plus plus, I is a like uh, integer variable, then I plus plus. Okay, and then a decremental operator, for example, I write an variable integer, and then I say integer I, and then if I say I minus minus, then whatever I value, for example, first time I value is 9, then after a while we execute, or if it is a loop, then it became 8. Okay. Okay, so now I will finish this video by saying only last things how you gonna compare the string. So here I said, like, you can use your if condition and comparing or testing your value or validating the data. But how you gonna test, or how you gonna, I mean, check, or how, which condition, like here while is a string value, then and you're gonna use if name, then dot equals. Okay, because here while you see this dot equals method take an object, so here the name is object, or you could give another object, or you could write here the name, for example, like uft. So if, for example, this is the university name, then if university name is dot equals, not like our this kind of, not this equal sign, we need to use, and this is an interview question, so it's very important. In that case, in string type or any object type, we need to use dot equals. Or also there are something else is called compare to method. uh, every object has this kind of method, so we also can use these kind of things, but it's a different story, I don't like to go over there. So only while it's string, then we need to use dot equals, that's it. And while integer, then whatever operator we're gonna show you, you could use any of them. And what else, I think I cover everything, like in incremental, decremental operator, compound and assignment operator, nested if else statement, if else double selection statement, and single statement. Okay, thank you viewers, thank you watching my video, end of the video. And finally, I humble request you, please subscribe my video and share my video, and of course like, comment. If any if you have any doubt, please make a comment, I will respond you as early as possible. And please subscribe my video. Thank you very much.